afternoon. Welcome to India's first animated live tuition. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay, very good. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Please turn on your camera. Okay, good evening and good afternoon. Okay. Yes. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Okay, so welcome to the class. Is there anyone who is attending this class for the first time? Anybody? If you are new to this class, can you please raise your hand? If this is your first class, please raise your hand. Yeah. Tirtha. Hi Tirtha, can you please unmute? Please unmute Tirtha. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. You are from?
Kerala.
Kerala. Okay. Okay Tirtha, welcome to the class. So happy to see you.
Thank you.
Okay. So what about your classes? It is already started or? Started. Yeah. And you are dealing with which chapter? First chapter or second chapter? Which chapter?
First chapter.
First chapter. Okay. But here we were dealing with polynomials. Chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay guys, so last class we were discussing about this one, polynomials. Yeah, chapter 2, polynomials. This was our chapter and we already completed some topics like the division or classification of polynomials based on their number of terms, then classification of polynomials based on their degree, then what is the degree of a polynomial, then zeros of a polynomial. All these things we have discussed. And there was a homework question. What was that? I can turn on my in 5 minutes. Okay, is it okay to turn on my camera in 5 minutes? Yes. Okay. Yeah, what was the, I just joined. Yeah, we just started the class, John. What was the homework question, guys? We can unmute someone, sir. What was the homework question?
Rishikesh.
Yes, Rishikesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what was the homework question? There was a homework. Have you done your homework or you forgot about the homework? Yeah, we can unmute Samuel. Samuel was commenting something. H of t equal to 90 plus 14, and here someone, Ayman, was commenting the answers. Yeah, we can unmute any one of them, Ayman or Samuel. Yes, Samuel, what was the question?
The homework question was h of t equals to 9 plus 14.
Yeah, and find the zeros of this polynomial, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and what is the answer?
Ma'am, I got minus 14t by 9.
Minus 14 by 9. Okay, so let's see.
Minus 14 by 90, sorry.
Minus 14 by 90.
No, actually, no, minus 14, minus 14 by 9, sorry.
Yeah, okay. So in order to find the zero of a linear polynomial, what we do is we just equate that polynomial to 0. Okay, we have a polynomial 90 plus 14 and we just equate that polynomial to 0. Now we have to solve for t. Okay, we are solving a linear equation in one variable. So first of all, we transpose this 14 to the other side. It becomes minus 14 and then we have to find the value of t, and that is equal to minus 14 divided by 9. Yeah, okay, minus 14 by 9, Helmi, then Insha, Ayman. Okay, what about others? Rishikesh, what was your answer? You just forgot about this homework or what? What happened? Where is Rishikesh? Please raise your hand, Rishikesh. He's not there. Yeah, yes, Rishikesh. What was your answer?
Ma'am, it is wrong, yeah, because h raised to k is equal to nt minus 14.
X raised to t?
No, h into t.
H of t. Okay, h of t. H of t is equal to?
NT minus 14.
NT.
90 minus 14.
90 minus 14.
No, 90.
Yes, 90 plus 14, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have to find the zero of this polynomial. And we equate that polynomial to 0. And we have to find the value of t. That is equal to minus 14 by 9. What was your answer?
I wrote this minus 14 by 9.
Yeah, same only, right?
Yeah.
You got, yeah, then what is the problem? Okay. Yes, Neha, please unmute Neha. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, I can actually see everyone's video.
Oh, okay.
So,
Yeah.
I've been added to classroom 2 and it's a breakout room and I can see everyone's video.
Okay. So wait a
Is that
second.
supposed to happen?
Yes. Yeah, yes. If it is a breakout room, then yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah, okay. Wait,
there are like no goals here.
Okay, wait a second, Neha. Sir. Yeah, wait. Yes, Neha. I will do the needful. Sir, please inform. Yeah, okay. So the answer is t is equal to minus 14 by 9 is the answer. I got the answer as minus 1.5. Oh, okay. No need to divide and all. Just write it as minus 14 by 9. Okay, that's it. Now we have some questions. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Okay, so how to find the value of a polynomial at a particular point? Let me show you. So the first polynomial that is given over here is 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Okay, this is a polynomial and let us name it as say p of x. We are giving a name to this polynomial and it is p of x. We need to find the value of this polynomial at the point x is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0 is a point and we need to find the value of this polynomial at that point. So for that, what we do is we just replace this x with 0. Okay, we have to find the value of this polynomial at the point x is equal to 0. Okay, for that what we do is we just replace this x with 0 or we just substitute x is equal to 0 in this polynomial. So we have to find p of 0. Okay, here x is equal to 0. So we have to find p of 0. That is, wherever you see this x, you have to replace that x with, yeah, okay, who is that? Mehrab. Yes, wait a second, Mehrab. Let me finish this. Okay, after that I will unmute you. Yeah, so wherever you see this x, you have to replace that x with 0. So this will be 5 into, instead of this x, you have to write 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into x square, but you have to replace x. It will be 0 square plus 3. Here we don't have any x, so just write it as 3 itself. What is 5 into 0? It is 0 only. What is minus 4 into 0 square? Again 0. Then plus 3. This is equal to 3. Yes, very good, Neha. This is how we find the value of a polynomial at a point. Say here it is 0. So in order to find the value of a polynomial at a particular point, what you have to do is replace x with that value. Okay, that's it. Now unmute Mehrab. Yes, Mehrab.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this.
So you were absent yesterday, you were not there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a polynomial, Mehrab. We have a polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. It is already given. We have a polynomial. And we have to find the value of this polynomial at a point x is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm just giving a name to this polynomial, say p of x. Okay, no need of giving such names and all. Just to make it more clear, I'm giving a name to this polynomial, say p of x. X means the variable is x here. So I'm just giving a name, p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. okay, which is the given polynomial, and I have to find the value of this polynomial at the point x is equal to 0. Which means wherever you see x in this polynomial, you have to replace that x with 0. That's it. Okay, so just replace x with 0. We get, instead of p of x, we have p of 0. Then 5 into x becomes 5 into 0. Then 4 into x square becomes 4 into 0 square plus 3. So here it was x square, so we replaced it with 0 square. Here it was x and we replaced it with 0. So 5 into 0 is 0. Then 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 3. So the answer is 3. Is it okay now? Yeah, okay, and here John. Yes, John?
Ma'am, this is in my textbook.
Ah.
I already answered it.
Yeah, okay.
Like I finished 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2,
I
and
sent
3.
it in the chat. Yeah, I sent it in the chat.
Okay, so can you solve the second one? P of minus 1.
Okay. Okay, so p is of -1. First, we replace it with the x.
Yes.
So it would be 5 into
Okay.
5 into, and now since it's a negative number, we put the negative sign.
Okay.
-1
Yes, 5 into minus 1.
-4
Minus 4
into
into
-1 square
minus 1 square. Okay.
plus 3.
Plus 3. Okay, see guys, here it was 5x minus 4x square plus 3 and the value is minus 1. So wherever you see this x, just put minus 1. Yeah. Yes, John.
Then now we can easily evaluate it. Now 5 into -1 is -5.
Negative 5.
Now since there is a square on top of -1,
Yes.
and it means minus into minus
Yes.
means plus.
Plus.
So it's +1.
Yeah. Okay, so it is minus 4 into plus 1 plus 3. Okay.
Yes. Now we can multiply the 4 and 1, which is the same -4.
Yes.
-5 minus 4
Plus 3. Yes.
Then we use the bonus rule. First we take the addition.
Yeah. Okay.
We add -4 and +3,
Okay.
which will give us -5 -1,
Yes. Okay.
which will and when we finally evaluate, it will be -6.
Minus 6. Very good. Very good. So we get minus 6. P of minus 1. Yes, I can see the answers here in the chat box. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 6. Very good. Very good. So any doubts? Anybody? Everybody got this answer? Same answer? Any different answers? No. Okay. Everybody got the same answer only. Now let's solve for x is equal to 2. Okay. The next one is P of minus 2. No, not minus 2. P of 2. Who is ready to solve this P of? Yes, I'm in doubt. Please raise your hand. Yeah. Yes, I'm in.
Yes, ma'am. So is it what is supposed to be the answer?
Answer is minus 6.
Ma'am, so why are we replacing it with 0 in the first one?
Yeah, see, we have to find the value of this polynomial at the point first sub question x is equal to 0. So the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 3. That's why we are replacing x with 0. Now the second sub question is find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. So the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 is minus 6. Since the point is minus 1, we are replacing x with minus 1. Now, the third sub question is find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 2. So, we are supposed to replace this x with 2 now. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Hand raise.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. I mean someone.
Hiba.
Yes, Hiba.
I have a doubt on the second one.
Second one. Yes. What is your doubt?
For like the third step, -5, -4 plus 3,
Okay.
like we can't do -5, -4 first, so it will be -9.
Okay, anyways, if you do that, you will get minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Yeah, you will get the same answer, but we have a rule, Bodmer's rule. First, it is, okay, forget about this B and O. First, we have to do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. That's why we are doing this one first, minus 4 plus 3. According to this rule, we are supposed to do the addition first and then we can do the subtraction. That's why. Anyways, you will get the same answer, minus 6 only. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Anila.
Yes, Anaga.
Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
X is equal to 2, so it will be 5 into 2.
Yes, 5 into 2, replacing x with 2. Yes.
Minus 4 into 2 square.
Yes, again replacing x with 2. Yeah.
And plus 3.
Plus 3. Yeah.
That's equal to 10.
10.
Minus 4 into 4, that's 16.
Yes, okay, 10 minus 16.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Yeah.
According to the Bodmer's rule, you'll do 16 plus 3,
Okay.
which will be minus 13.
Minus 13. So 10 minus 13.
This will be negative 3.
Negative 3. Okay. Yes, very good. The answer is negative 3. So the value of this polynomial, particular polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at the point 2 is minus 3. That's it. So for the first question, value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 3 and the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 is minus 6 and the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 2 is negative 3. Okay? Yeah. We have some hand raises. You just you just raise your hand to answer, or you have doubts. If you don't have any doubts, please lower your hands. Yeah, still. Yes, Meherab?
Ma'am, no, I just wanted to answer.
Answer. Okay. Yeah, fine. Any other doubts? Anybody? Any doubts about this one? No. So this is how we find the value of a polynomial at a particular point. Suppose, okay, I am finding the value of a particular polynomial at a point, say, P of 2. Okay, I have a polynomial and I got the value of P of 2 as 0. What is the speciality of 2 now? Okay, forget about this question. I'm asking, I have a polynomial, say P of x, and at x is equal to 2, the value of this polynomial is 0. Then what is the speciality of this number 2? Yes, hand raise.
Just T.
Yes, Justy. Okay, previous slide. Yeah, sure. What? Third question? Down. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, for the question you asked,
Yes.
I'm not sure my answer is correct, but I'll try.
Yes, okay.
So the speciality of 2 that it's like maybe P of x, the question
Yes.
might be something like x minus 2.
Okay, and
0.
yes, 0. Yeah, that's what I expected. Yeah. Yes, very good, very good, very good. So whenever we have, okay guys, just take a screenshot.
Oh, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial.
Yeah.
Right.
2. Yes, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. What is the definition? Very good, Neha. So we have a polynomial P of x and at a particular point, say 2, P of 2 is equal to 0. And what is the definition of the 0 of a polynomial? What is the definition of 0 of a polynomial? See this? A 0 of a polynomial P of x is a number C such that P of C is equal to 0. So here the question was, I have a polynomial P of x. Okay, I have a polynomial P of x and at a point say 2. Okay, x was equal to 2. P of 2 was equal to 0. What is the meaning of the statement? 2 is a 0 of P of x. 2 is a 0 of the polynomial P of x. Yeah. Okay. So whenever we have a polynomial and at a particular point the value of that polynomial is 0, that polynomial is becoming 0 means that number is the 0 of that particular polynomial p of x. Okay? Yeah. So let me ask you one more question. I have a polynomial, say g of x. Okay, and I have a number x is equal to a particular point, x is equal to -3, and g of -3 is equal to 0. So we can say that, yes Sanjit, okay. We can say that, so what is the speciality of this -3? It is -3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Yes, very good. -3 is the 0 of the polynomial. -3 is the 0 of the polynomial g of x. Very good. Okay, yeah. So this is how it works. Whenever we find the value of a polynomial at a particular point and we got the answer as 0. Here it is not 0. Here it is -6. Here it is 3 and here it is -3. But if we have a point where the value of that polynomial is 0, then that particular number will be the 0 of that polynomial. Okay, see. Now let's solve the next question. Find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Here we have 4 polynomials. Let's do the first 2 questions and the rest 2 questions are homework questions. We will discuss those 2 questions in the next class. Now let's solve the first 2 questions. Yeah, so the first question is p of y is equal to, here the variable is y, therefore inside the brackets it is y because the variable is y. So we have to name the polynomial according to the variable. So here it is p of y because the variable here is y. Yeah, p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. And now we have to find the value of this polynomial at the points 0, 1 and 2. Or we have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Okay, what is p of 0? P of 0 means we have to replace x with 0. Yes sir, we have a hand raise here. Okay. Yes Sanjit.
Ma'am, I can answer this question, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
P of 0 means we have to replace y with 0. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. P bracket x.
P bracket y.
Okay.
Here the variable is y. So it is P of y. If the variable is y, it is P of y. If the variable is x, it is P of x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Bracket 0 to the power 2.
Yes, 0 to the power 2.
Minus 0.
Minus 0.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. And that is equal to
1.
1. Very good. So P of 0 is equal to 1. Very good. Next one, P of 1. Yes, Mayram? P of 1. What is the value of P of 1?
Ma'am, I want to answer, but before that, I have a doubt.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Before you said gx where -3 is the 0 of the polynomial.
Yes.
I didn't understand why you would.
Okay, last class you were absent. Yeah, that is the problem. 0 of a polynomial. We have a thing called zeros of a polynomial. So what is the 0 of a polynomial? That according to the definition, a number. Okay, we have any number, say C for a constant. It can be 2, 3 or any number. If we are finding the value of a particular polynomial at a point, say, okay, let us take a polynomial. P of x is equal to x minus 2. Okay, and I am finding the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0. What is P of 0?
0 minus 2.
Yes, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Now let us find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 1. P of 1.
1 minus 2, which is equal to -1.
Yes, 1 minus 2, which is equal to -1. Now let's find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 2. That is P of 2. What is P of 2?
2 minus 2, which is equal to 0.
Yes, 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So whenever we get a value like 0, then this number 2 is known as the zero of that polynomial. So the number which makes a polynomial zero, okay, or the point at which the polynomial becomes, or the polynomial is equal to 0, that number is known as the zero of that polynomial. So here x is equal to 2 is the 0, because at this point p of 2 is 0, or the value of that polynomial is 0. That's why suppose we have a polynomial, say g of x, and when we take x is equal to -2, we got g of -3 is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to -3, we put a value, we have a polynomial here, say x plus 3, and we are finding the value of this polynomial at -3, and we got the value as 0. Then this -3 is known as the zero of that polynomial. Got it? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, now you can answer the question. Yeah, p of 1.
Ma'am, P of 1 is equal to 1 square
1 square.
minus 1 plus 1,
Okay.
which is 1 minus 1 plus 1.
Yes.
So we can plus both of them and it will become 0.
Okay.
1 minus 6 is equal to.
Yes, 1 is the answer. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we got p of 1 is also equal to 1. Yes, very good. Next one, p of 2. Who is ready to solve this p of 2? Yes, hand raise. Okay. P of 2 is equal to
P bracket 2
yes,
bracket
p of 2 2 square
minus 2 plus 1.
okay.
So 4 minus 2 plus 1.
2 minus 2 plus 1. What is 2 square?
4 minus 2. 4
Yes,
minus 2
4 minus 2 plus 1. That is
2 plus 1. 2 plus 1.
2 plus 1. Okay, can we do this addition first? 4 minus 1 can, because according to the, anyways you will get the same answer, but still let's follow this Bodmas rule. So addition first. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is equal to
3.
3. Yes. Okay, anyways you will get the same answer. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, anyways the answer is 3. Yeah, very good. So P of 2 is equal to 3. Very good. Any doubts, anybody? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, already solved all the questions, and Neha, very good. Okay. Anybody, any doubts? Niranjan, any doubts? No. Okay. Here, hand raise. Daniel and Sanjit, any doubts? Rishikesh, any doubts? Yeah, Rishikesh.
Ma'am, in first step,
Ah.
0 minus 0 plus 1, minus 0 plus 1, it will be 1.
1.
Yeah, 0 plus minus 1, it will not minus, it will get minus 1.
Where? Here it is 0, minus 0, plus 1. It is 1 only.
Oh,
0 minus 0, 0 plus 0. Whatever we do with 0, it is 0 only. Minus 0 plus 1 means it is 1. Okay. 0 is just 0. It is negative 0 or positive 0. There is no such things like negative 0, positive 0 and all these things. It's 1. Okay. Yeah, Ritika, can I leave and rejoin? Okay, Ritika. I forgot and I know it's late. Actually scored full in math. Oh, very good, Samuel. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Where is Samuel? Can you please raise your hand, Samuel? Yes. Hi, Samuel. So you got full marks in maths last year?
Yeah, I'm actually got full marks in math.
Oh, very good. That's great. Okay.
Yeah, thanks for teaching us, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So this is the answer. These are the answers. P of 0. I finished the questions. Okay, now let's do the second question. Very quick. Any doubts here? Anybody? No, right? Yeah. So now let's solve the second one. Wait. Let's solve the second one. Okay. P of t. P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, don't get confused with this t and plus. Okay, it is plus here. Yeah, 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Yeah, so we have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Who is ready to solve this p of 0? P of 0? Yeah, okay.
Hannah.
Yes, Hannah, p of 0 is equal to?
Yes, ma'am. So we write 2 plus
Yes.
0
Ah,
plus
plus.
2 into 0 square
Yes, 0 square.
minus 0 cube.
Very good. That is equal to?
So 0 square and 0 cube will be equal to 0 itself.
Yes.
So the bottom we'll do the multiplication first. So 2 plus 0 plus, you can write it down so that
Yes, yes, okay. 2 plus 0 plus?
then 0 minus 0.
0 minus 0.
So then the answer will be 2 itself.
Yes, very good. The answer will be 2. Yes, very good. So the answer is 2. Now let's find P of 1. P of 1. Who is ready to find the value of P of 1? Yes, John. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So,
Sorry, new message.
same thing, we'll write 2 plus t plus 2t squared.
Okay. 2 plus?
2 plus t. Okay, okay, fine. Do I just start?
Yes.
Okay. Then we replace it with 1. So
1.
2 plus 1
Okay.
plus 2 into 1 the whole square
Yes.
minus 1 the cube.
Cube. Okay, 1 cube. Yeah.
Then we can evaluate it.
Yes.
2 plus 1 is 3.
Okay.
3 plus then 2 into 1 square is the same thing as 2.
Yes.
Then minus 1.
Okay.
Then first we minus it will be 1 and then add it with 3 it will become 4.
Okay. Addition.
Yeah, first we'll take the addition first. We'll make that we'll convert it into 5 and then minus it with 1 it will become 4.
Yes. Okay. Anyways, the answer is 4. Very good. Right answer. I want to answer next. Yes, Suhai. Next one, P of 2. Yes, P of 2 is equal to?
P of 2, 2 plus
2 plus
2 plus 2,
2.
then plus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2
Yes.
minus 2 to the power of 3.
Yes. Okay.
So 4 plus
4 plus
6
6.
minus
Okay, wait. 2 into what is 2 square?
sorry, 4, 8.
Yes, 8. So 4 plus 8. Yeah. Minus what is 2 cube?
Minus 2, 8.
8. Yeah.
Minus 8.
Yeah. Okay. 8.
Then 8 will be minus 2, 8. So 4. Answer 4.
Yes, answer 4. Yes, very good. P of 2 is equal to 4. Very good. Okay, so we solved the first 2 questions. Now the rest of 2 questions, third and fourth, it's homework. Okay, just do it. And when you come for the next class, you have to answer these questions. Okay, if you are finding it difficult, I will solve that for you. Otherwise, okay, we can discuss it in the next class. So let's last 2 questions. P of x is equal to x cube and P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. These 2 are homework questions. Okay, just do this. Yeah. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Verify, before that, any doubts here? Anybody, any doubts? No. Okay, yes. Yes, Ayman?
Ma'am, it's not actually a doubt. I just want to ask. In our school is like still figuring out what are the deleted portions. So I'm asking, is the first chapter number system deleted?
No, it's there, it's there.
Oh, okay.
After completing this, we will learn that first chapter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. We can just do 3 and 4 now. Okay, do it as homework, Mas. In the next class, we can solve that. Okay. Anyways, don't worry. I will solve that for you in the next class. If you are finding it difficult, I will solve that for you. No issues. Okay, just try it. Yeah, that's it. Any other doubts? No, fine. Now the second 11th question, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So we have to check whether this x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial, p of x is equal to 3x plus 1 or not. So what we can do now? The question is not to find the zero of this polynomial. The question is we have to check whether this given number x is equal to negative 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial or not. So what we can do now? Any idea? No idea? Yes. Okay, Sanchit. Yes, Sanchit?
Ma'am, we can put the x value, ma'am. We have to multiply 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1.
Very good, very good. Very good. So according to the definition of zeros, if a number is a zero of that polynomial, okay, if this x minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial, then p of minus 1 by 3 must be equal to 0, right? According to the definition, if a number, say, forget about this negative 1 by 3 and all. Suppose a number 2, okay, we have a polynomial x minus 2 and a number x is equal to 2 is known as a zero of this polynomial if p of 2 is equal to 0. So here it is asked to find or check whether this given number is a zero. So what we have to do is we have to check whether p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, then yes, it is a zero of that polynomial. If it is not equal to 0, we are getting some other number, say 2, 3, 4, any other number other than 0, then that number is not a zero of that given polynomial. Yes, Sanchit, just continue. So we have to find first polynomial as p of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and x is given as minus 1 by 3. Yeah, and he said we have to find p of minus 1 by 3, that is 3 into, replace x with minus 1 by 3. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Yes, Sanjit, please unmute him.
Ma'am, we can cut the 3's.
Yes, we can cut the 3's.
And then minus, then p bracket, then, okay, then minus 1 plus 1
Yes.
is 0.
0, very good. So we can conclude that this minus 1 by 3 is a 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so this number x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial because p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Is that clear? Any doubts? Yes, Rishikesh, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, it is a polynomial.
Which one?
First,
Yeah, it is a polynomial and the question is to check whether this is a zero of that polynomial or not. So what is the doubt? Definitely it is a polynomial. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, any doubts? What is that? The answers. Neha, good job. Okay. So she just commented all the answers, like very explained answers, very well explained. Yeah, very good. So now let's take the second one, that is p of x is equal to 5x minus pi, but x is equal to 4 by 5. So we have to check whether this 4 by 5 is a zero of this polynomial or not. Who is ready to solve this? Yeah. Who is that, sir?
Anila.
Anika. Anika, can you solve this?
I'm still working on it.
Okay. So I will help you with this. Can we find p of 4 by 5? Okay, what we have to do is, we have to replace x with 4 by 5, right? So just tell me. Just replace x with 4 by 5. Yeah.
5 into
Okay.
4 by 5
Yes.
minus 3
Pi.
by 14. Yeah.
This is pi. Okay. It's just pi.
Yeah.
Just write it as pi only. Yeah, that is equal to.
We can cut the 5
Yes.
and then 4 minus pi.
Okay, 4 minus pi. So it is not equal to 0, right?
No.
Yeah. So is this number 4 by 5 a 0 of the given polynomial?
No.
No. So the answer is no. This is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Very good, very good. So this given number 4 by 5 is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Yes, very good. Now, any doubts? Any doubts, anybody? No. Okay, now let's solve the third one. P of x is equal to x square minus 1, and we have 2 points. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Yeah, P of x is equal to x square minus 1. Yes, sir. Who is ready?
Grisha.
Yes, Grisha.
Yes, ma'am. So P of x equals to x square minus 1.
Okay.
So we have to replace x square with 1. So it will be 1 square. P of x equals to 1 square
P of
minus
1,
1.
right? P of not P of x, P of 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, P of 1 is 1 square minus 1. That
Square
is
minus 1. Which will be 1 minus 1, which is 0.
okay. Now we have one more point. X is equal to minus 1. Yeah.
Yeah. So P of minus 1 equals to minus 1 square
Yes.
minus 1
Yeah.
equals to minus 1 minus 1.
What is minus 1 square?
1.
1. Yes. It's not minus
1
1. It's
minus
yeah.
1 equals to 0.
Yes, very good. So we can conclude that this both 1 and minus 1 are the
0 of the polynomial.
yes, very good. So this 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of this given polynomial. But can you see this irony? Is there any problem? We have two numbers and both these numbers are the zeros of this polynomial. But why? In all other cases, the polynomial was having only one zero. And see, it is x square minus 1. The highest power is 2. Is the degree has something to do with this number of polynomials? Yes. Degree is actually equal to the number of zeros. Okay, degree is equal to number of zeros of the polynomial. So, till now we were dealing with linear polynomials and their zeros. So, linear polynomial means the degree is 1. So, the number of zeros is also 1. A linear polynomial has 1 and only 1 zero. But in case of a quadratic polynomial, the degree is 2. Therefore, as you can see here, it has got 2 zeros. So, the number of zeros is equal to 2. What about the number of zeros? Okay, Khalid. Please do collect the link. Okay, or this is YouTube Live, so you can just watch it from YouTube directly. Yeah. So, what about a cubic polynomial? Can you guess the number of zeros of a cubic polynomial? Number of zeros of a cubic polynomial. Anybody? Number of zeros of a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial will have 3 zeros. Very good. Degree is equal to number of zeros. Very good. So can you guess the number of zeros of this polynomial? 5x raised to 10 minus 2x squared plus 1. Can you guess the number of zeros of this polynomial? SCRT textbook. NCRT, right? SCRT means state. Yeah. It must be NCRT, like Cbse will always follow this NCRT textbooks. But in class 8, some of you were following this Pearson, Oxford and all. But SCRT. Okay, anyways, can you please unmute her? Fatima, right? Fatima, do you have SCRT textbook?
Yes. ma'am.
So classes already started, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and can you show me the textbook?
1 second.
Yeah. Do you have this chapter in the textbook, polynomials? No? Okay, just show me the textbook. Just, it's there?
I have, but it's not like this.
Okay, can you please show me? Just take it and show me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, can you please unmute Vinayak? Vinayak, can you please raise your hand? Where is Vinayak? Yes, Vinayak, number of zeros of this polynomial is?
Ma'am, I think 12.
12. Why? Yeah, wait. What is the number of zeros of a linear polynomial is? Linear polynomial, number of zeros. Okay, what is the degree of zero polynomial? Not zero. What is the degree of a linear polynomial?
Ma'am, is it 2?
Then what is the degree of a quadratic polynomial? You were absent in
That's
last
2,
class.
that's 2.
Yeah, that's
Quadratic
two.
is 2.
Yeah, and for the linear polynomial it is? You were absent last class, or you were
Ma'am, I
there?
think 1.
1, yeah, okay. Linear polynomial it's 1, and for cubic polynomial it's?
That's 3.
3, yeah, okay. And here the number of zeros is also 1. Okay, this is the degree of that polynomial, and number of zeros is 1, and here number of zeros is 2, and here number of zeros is 3. Okay, degree is equal to number of zeros. And what about the degree of this polynomial? 5x raised to 10 minus 2x square plus 1. What is the degree of this polynomial?
Ma'am, 5x raised to 10.
10. Okay, 10 is the degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and what about the number of zeros then? Degree is equal to number of zeros. Okay, in case of a polynomial, the degree of that polynomial is equal to the number of zeros. So here,
10 zeros.
10 zeros.
5
Yes.
is equal to 10 zeros.
Yes, very good. It is 10. Answer is 10. So the degree is equal to number of zeros. Therefore, this polynomial has 10.
Ma'am, what about the 2x?
2x. Okay.
Also has a degree, right?
No. When we consider the degree, what is the definition of degree of a polynomial? The highest power of a variable is known as the degree. Whenever we have a polynomial, the highest power of that polynomial, highest power of variable in that polynomial is known as the degree of that polynomial. And here the highest power is 10. We are not concerned about this other powers like 2 or all other numbers. We only consider the highest power of the variable, and it is the degree. Just forget about the 2 and all. Yeah. And suppose we have a polynomial like 12x raised to 4 minus 24x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, what is the degree of this polynomial? It's Vinayak. Yes, 4. Yeah, the degree is 4. We are not concerned about the square or this x raised to 1, nothing. The highest power only, that is the degree. Yeah, Fatima, yes. Can you please show me the textbook? SCRT. Okay. I don't know why, but can you please send the number of chapters and name of chapters? Like, do you have this chapter? Please unmute her. Do you have this chapter? Yeah, and what about the...
In fact,
Okay. So, do you have this topic like zeros of a polynomial and all these things is there, right? Okay. Okay. So let me discuss it with my team. Okay, and I will do the needful. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now let's solve the fourth one. Fourth one is x plus 1 into x minus 2. X plus 1 into x minus 2, and we have 2 points. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Yeah, who is ready to solve this? Yes.
Formula.
Yes, Famida, x is equal to minus 1 and we have to find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1.
So P of minus 1 equals
Yes.
minus 1 plus 1
Yes.
into minus 1 minus 2.
Yes, very good. What is minus 1 plus 1?
So then it would be 0
0.
and into 3.
Just 3. Or what is 1 plus 2?
3.
Okay, then what is minus 1 minus 2? Is that 3?
Minus 3.
Yes, minus 3. Yeah. 0 into negative 3. Yeah. That is equal to 0 into any number.
0.
0. Yeah.
0.
Very good. So P of minus 1 is 0. Now let's find P of 2. P of 2 is equal to
2 plus 1
okay, 2 plus 1.
into 2 minus 2.
Yes, into 2 minus 2. That is equal to
3 into 0.
yes, 3 into
It would
0
be
and that,
0.
yes, very good, very good. Yeah, okay, very good. So here also we have two zeros. X is equal to minus 1 is a 0 and x is equal to 2 is also a 0 of this polynomial. But here the highest power is not 2, na? This is x plus 1 into x minus 2. Then why we have two zeros? Is this a quadratic polynomial? Yes, Neha. Is this a quadratic polynomial?
No, ma'am, it's
No,
not.
it's not. Okay. Then why we
Ma'am,
have to...
also I wanted to say that a polynomial can have more than one zeros. It does not really have to be a quadratic, cubic, or linear.
okay, but I said this one like a number of zeros is equal to the degree of that polynomial. So if it is a cubic polynomial, then it has 3 zeros. Here it is, somebody is saying yes, in who's
It's
that?
x square. Wait, if you take x as a common, like, you know, this question can become one question.
Can become one question, which means?
X plus 1 into x minus 2
Yes.
is nothing but x square plus 1 minus 2.
X square plus...
Oh wait, it is a quadratic polynomial.
X square plus 1 minus 2.
Yeah.
No.
Wait.
Just use the distributive law. X into x is x squared. Then we have to do this x into minus 2. Then 1 into x. And then 1 into minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that will be, wait. That will be, wait. X plus 1 into...
X square.
Okay, x
minus
plus 1 into
2x.
x minus 2 is x into x, x squared. Yeah.
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
Plus x.
Plus x.
Plus minus 2.
Yeah, like minus 2. So this is x squared minus 2x plus x is minus 2x plus x. We have like terms, algebraic equations.
Minus x.
Minus x. Yeah, x squared minus x minus 2. So now is this a quadratic polynomial?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a quadratic polynomial. That's why we have two zeros. When we open the bracket and we do this distributive law and all these things, we have got x squared minus x minus 2. See, you can substitute the values here in this polynomial. Okay, the polynomial is x squared minus x minus 2 and the value is x is equal to minus 1. When you put this value here, it is minus 1 squared minus 1 minus 2. What is minus 1 squared? It is 1. Then minus 1 is plus 1. Then minus 2. It is 2 minus 2. You will get the answer as 0. No need of all this. I just want to show you this. Okay, this polynomial is same as this one. Yeah, so again, this is a quadratic polynomial. That's why we have got two zeros. I already told you, like the number of zeros is equal to the degree of that polynomial. This is actually a quadratic polynomial. That's why we have two zeros. Okay? Yeah. Sir, chat box. Here. About it. Please, and third one. Yeah. Can you show how saw the second one? I want to take screenshot. I actually just erased it. Second what? Third and second, right? Okay, wait a second. Okay, you can just check that. Okay, just ask for the link, or it is this class is YouTube live. Just go to that and okay, take this answers. Yeah. Okay, last question. I just erased it. Any doubts, guys, about the fourth one? Any doubts? No. Okay, fine. Rishikesh, yes, Rishikesh?
Ma'am, it is a polynomial. Fourth question.
What is the question? See, zeros of the polynomial, that is a polynomial. That's why we have these questions, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other doubts? Samuel, then Niranjan, no, who is this? Sri. Okay. And any doubts, guys? Hand raises. You just raised your hands to answer or doubts. Okay, fine. Now the fifth question, fifth and last question. P of x is equal to Lx plus m. X is equal to minus m divided by L. So we don't have any numbers. We just have, yes. Okay, can I answer? Yeah. So the fourth question can be done in both ways. Yes, it can be done in both ways, but no need of just expanding it. Suppose you are expanding and you forgot something and it's like totally mess, but just substitute here. You can do that. Other one is fine, but don't make any mistakes. Please make sure that there is no mistakes. Otherwise, it's like you are touching your nose like this, and you can also touch it like this. Okay, extra job. Yeah, no need of that, but if you want, you can do that. Yes, sir. Unmute someone. Somebody was asking, can I answer? Yeah. We have to find the value of this polynomial at the point minus m divided by L. Yes. Sanchit?
Yes, ma'am. Now it will be p bracket m minus m by L.
Yes,
bracket
minus m by L. Yeah.
L into minus m by L
Yes.
plus m.
Plus m. Okay.
L and L cancel.
L and L get cancelled. Yes.
Minus m plus m.
Minus m plus m.
0.
0. Very good. Yeah. So we don't have any numbers here and the 0. Yes, very good. So we don't have any numbers here. What we have is, we have something like minus m divided by L. Answer of first question. I just erased it. That is the problem, Niranjan. Okay. I just erased it. So everybody is asking about the first, second, third and all the answers, but I just erased it. You can just take it from the link, okay? Otherwise, it's like wasting our time and all. Yeah. Okay, so this is the answer. Any doubts about the fifth question? Anybody, any doubts about the fifth question? Any hand raises, sir?
Abid.
Yes, Abid, do you have any doubts? Okay, no. Yeah, there we have a hand raiser. Do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, is it n multiplied by minus m by L?
Minus,
or is it L?
yeah, this is L.
Is it? No, is it L multiplied by minus m by L?
This one, yes, L multiplied by minus m divided by L, because here we have L into x. So wherever you see this x, you have to replace that with minus m by L, just like you did before. in like at this point x is equal to -1, what you do is you just replace x with -1. Similarly, you have to replace this x with minus m by l. So we get l into minus m by l. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Samuel. And here she's already writing now. Okay, anyways. Word. Okay. Hannah. Hannah. What are you doing? Are you doing homework or something? Do you have some other notebooks with you? Can you please unmute?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are writing this one.
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't have any other notebooks?
No.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Anybody? No. Okay. Now let's see this one. Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So we have some linear polynomials, and the question is to find the zeros of these polynomials. So what we have to do is, we have a linear polynomial. What is the first step whenever we have a linear polynomial and the question is to find the zero of that polynomial? What is the first step? We can unmute someone, sir. What is the first step?
Ashika.
Yes, Ashika. What is the first step?
Now we have to equal it to 0.
Yes, equate that to 0. So we get?
X is equal to -5.
Yes, very good. So x is equal to -5 is a zero of this polynomial. Very good. Now the second one is 3x minus 2. Do we have some other methods to find the zero of this polynomial? Like minus b by a, it's not there. Yeah, 3x minus 2. Yes, okay, so we have to equate this to 0. We can unmute someone. Christo, yes, Christo.
Yes, ma'am. For the second one, first we need to equate 3x minus 2
Okay.
equal 0.
Yes, okay.
After that, 3x equal 0 plus 2.
Yeah.
After that, 3x equal 2.
Yes, 3x equal to 2.
X equal 2 by 3.
Yes, very good. X is equal to 2 by 3 is the zero of this polynomial. Very good. Now the third one, P of x is equal to 3x. Yes, sir, we can unmute someone. P of x is equal to 3x. Who is ready to solve this? Yeah, hand raise.
Sriman.
Yes, Sriman.
3x equals to 0.
Okay.
So x equals to 0 by 3.
What is 0 by 3?
3.
Oh, yeah. So, you said 3.
Yes, 0. 0, 0.
Okay, you said 3? No. Okay, yeah, anyway, 0. 0 by any number is 0 only, not that number. Yeah, 0. X is equal to 0 is a 0 of this polynomial. Yes. Okay, now we have the fourth question. Can I erase this? Okay, is there, I told 3 but it is 0. Okay, fine. Okay guys, if you are still writing it, just take a screenshot. We have to solve the next two questions. Okay, just take a screenshot. Yeah. So the fourth question is P of x is equal to ax and a not equal to 0. Yes sir, can you please unmute someone? Any hand raises? P of x is equal to ax. No hand raises? Why? Because we don't have any numbers here, that's why no hand raises. Okay, yes, Neha?
It's 0.
0. So
Ax is equal to 0.
Okay.
X is equal to 0 by a.
Yes.
Which is nothing but 0.
Yes, very good. Just like this 3x, guys. In case of 3x, it was equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 3. That is equal to 0. Here, in place of 3, we have a, that's it. Okay, it is already given that a is not equal to 0. If it was like 0 by 0, then it's complicated, but here it is 0 by some number a. Yeah. Now this last one, p of x is equal to cx plus d, and c not equal to 0. C and d are some real numbers. Okay, who is ready to solve this? Yes, sir. Hand raise someone.
Abid.
Yes, Abid. Yes. Hello. You are not audible.
And you do the problem.
Yes. Just do it. What happened?
Ma'am, I'll do it in the
Okay. So you are okay. Yeah, here. Who's that? Here, second. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We have to first equate it to 0. So cx plus d is equal to 0.
Okay.
And cx is equal to minus d.
Okay.
And x is equal to minus d by c.
Yes, very good. X is equal to minus d by c is the answer. Very good. So these are the 5 questions and it's over. Any doubts here? Anybody? Any doubts? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, it's a doubt which is not related to this chapter. Can I ask that?
So which chapter it is?
It's number, the first chapter. Number
Okay,
system.
so what is it?
So what are complex numbers and imaginary numbers? Like they don't fall under the category of real numbers?
No.
They are like my teacher told, it is square root of minus 2
1.
minus,
Yes.
yeah.
So the square root of minus 1 is actually, square root of minus 1. Others, just close your ears, okay? Please don't listen to this and get confused. Yeah. So root of minus 1 is actually I, or the imaginary number. So when we have a negative number inside the root, instead of just root 2, it is negative root 2. What we do is root 2i. Okay, root of minus 1 is actually I. So root of minus 1 and root of this negative numbers, all these are complex numbers, or something like 2 plus 2i. We have some complex numbers like this. It is not included in the set of real numbers. It is something beyond that. It is imaginary. Okay, we have to imagine the numbers. It's like root of minus 1 is defined as I. Yeah.
So these imaginary numbers are not real numbers, right?
They are not real numbers.
Okay, and if there is a question like cube root of 15,
Okay.
these will come under the category of irrational numbers, right?
Okay, then
And irrational numbers are real numbers.
irrational numbers are real numbers. Yes.
So these are not complex numbers?
These are not complex numbers. Whenever you have one I there, okay, whenever you can see one I there, or you can see root of a negative number, root of negative 15, root of some negative 2, something like that. All these are imaginary numbers. Okay, they are not real numbers, they are imaginary, something beyond these real numbers. Whenever you have this I or square root of some negative numbers, all those are imaginary numbers.
We don't get to see imaginary numbers on the number line, right?
No.
Okay, got it.
Yes. Okay, it has got 2 parts, the real part and the imaginary part. We can just draw a number line showing the real part of this complex number and then another number line showing the imaginary part, but not like this together. It's not possible to draw show this in a number line. It's not possible, but you will learn this in like other classes, like the coming classes. You can learn this in the higher classes. Okay, others, just leave this. Okay, it's not there in your syllabus. Just, okay, it's like don't get confused with this imaginary root of minus 1. Can you go back to the 5th question? Yes, sure. P of x is equal to cx plus d. There was some hand raises. Samuel, any doubts?
Yes, I have a doubt, but it's not related to the chapter. It's related to the portion. Ma'am, so when will you start the number system?
After
Because,
completing
what in
this,
our class?
after completing this, we will start number system.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts, guys? There was some hand. Yes, Ayman.
Yeah, ma'am, actually we can find negative root numbers on the number line, but it's deleted from our questions. But our teacher taught it.
Okay, so you have that in your textbook. It's not
Yeah.
there in your syllabus, like, right? It's deleted.
It's not there in our syllabus, but our teacher still taught us how to do
Okay.
it. We have to do some construction with it also.
Okay. Yeah. Quiz time? No. Oh, okay. Yes. Hand raise? Yeah. Yes. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain the fifth question again?
Yeah,
please?
sure. Yeah. Okay, so we have to find the zero of this polynomial. Like cx plus d is a polynomial, and we have to find the zero of this polynomial. As you can see, the highest power is 1, so this is a linear polynomial. Whenever we have a linear polynomial, we have to find the zero of that polynomial, means we have to equate that to 0. That is the first step. Just equate any linear polynomial to 0 to find the zero of that polynomial. Yeah, so let's do it here. Cx plus d is the polynomial. We can compare it with some other polynomial, say 2x plus 3. Okay, if it is 2x plus 3, what we do is equate this to 0. Here also we can equate this to 0. In the next step, what we do is we will just transpose this 3 to the other side. So it becomes negative 3. Here it is just plus 3. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes negative 3. Here also it is cx, and when we have to transpose this d to the other side, it becomes negative d. Okay, and here we have to find the value of x, so we have to transpose this 2 to the other side. Here it is multiplication. When it goes to the other side, it becomes division, minus 3 by 2. Similarly, here also it becomes minus d divided by this number c. Now, is it clear? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So these were the questions. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any other doubts? Yeah. Yes, Hiba.
Ma'am, how do we find the degree of an expression like for example, minus d by c, like how do we find the, if it is linear, quadratic,
Yes.
or cubic?
Okay. So we have this x here. Okay, x is the variable here, and we usually give the variables as x, y, t. All these numbers are considered as variables, and here c and d, they just mean them as constants. Okay, so just look for this x or y, the x, y or t. If it is there, and if it is 2x plus 3, the highest power is 1. And here, don't get confused with the c and d. They usually use the c, d and all these four variables, not variables, constants. Okay, and usually in your textbook they use x, y and t for this variables. Okay, so when you have something like x, y, t or something there, and some other thing like c, d, a and b, they just consider A, B, C and D as constants. Here it is C and D are constants, and X is considered as a variable. So you have to look for the highest power of that variable. Here it is X and X raised to 1. Therefore, it is a linear polynomial. Okay? Yeah. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Any hand raises, sir? No. Okay, so now it's time for exam. In the next class, we will learn about remainder theorem and all. Yeah, now it's exam time, sir. It's exam time. Okay, so you have 5 questions. All the questions are related to the topics that we have discussed today. Just go back, and there you can see a blue button. Just click on it and enter the exam. Just click on the right options and just submit. Okay. If you are still finding it difficult to find the link for exam, just refresh your page, then you will get it. Okay. Yeah. What is that? Can you go back to 5th question? Yeah. Sir, exam time. Okay. Ma'am, it's sir, chat box. The exam is not scheduled. I refresh my page many times. It's not showing. Okay, wait a second, guys. I can now see it. Oh, okay. Now it's done, guys. Yeah, it works. Yeah. Just refresh again, guys. Now it's okay. And these are the questions. The value of P of X, P of X is equal to, okay, there you can see it like this. Okay, X raised to 2. Oh no. X raised to 2, something like this. Okay, this is actually X raised to 2. Okay, first question, it is X raised to 2. Can you send the link as it is multiple times? I don't want to get exam option. There is no link. It's like we have changed it to ERP, so you can only access. I can't send this link and all. Where should I do the exam? Okay. Can somebody explain how did you get the link? Okay, we don't have provide any links. Just go back. Okay, just minimize your zoom. There you can see a blue button. Okay, below the link for this Zoom class, you can see a blue button and just click on it. Then you can enter the exam. We won't provide any links for you. Okay, it's not Google form. It's changed to ERP. So where should I do the exam? Like, how many of you are still searching for the link? Like, oh, okay. Now I got it. Okay, please raise your hand if you are finding it difficult to get the link for exam. Done. Okay, no hand raises? Yeah, one hand raise. Okay, just try to minimize your zoom and then just look for that. You can access it by opening the same website you entered the meeting through. Okay, so you can access it by opening the same website you entered the meeting through. Okay, Ishan. Okay, Ishan. I can't see the link. Okay, just open the website. Okay, so for this class you open one website, no? Just open the same website and below that you can see this link for exam or blue button, okay, or a blue button, not link, a blue button like enter exam, something like that. Yeah, so these were the questions. The value of P of X at X squared, still you are finding it difficult or you are unable to get the link, just listen here. This is the first question. Just write the answers in a sheet of paper. Okay, then later you can just cross check the answers. The value of P of X is equal to X squared minus 2X plus 3 at X is equal to 1 is 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3. I got 10 out of 10. Very good. Then the second question, okay, first question, P of X is X squared minus 2X plus 3, X is 1. Okay. Now the 0 of the polynomial, 10 out of 10, very good, 10, very good. Okay. 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2x plus 7. You have to find the 0 of this polynomial. Then find P of minus 1 of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x minus 17. Now the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to, here it is wrong options, but there in your form it's correct. Okay, just click on the correct options. 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2x plus 7. Okay, these are the questions. Can we discuss the answers? Okay. Can I discuss the answers? Durgesh, yes, Durgesh. Okay, fine. So let's discuss the answers. The value of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. This is the polynomial at x is equal to 1. So we have to replace this x with 1. Okay. So p of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3. And the answer is 1 minus 2 plus 3, that is, it is, what is the answer? It's 3. Okay, I can see only one answer here, it's 3. Any other answers? 2, okay, 2, 4. Okay, anyways, 1 minus 2 plus 3. What is minus 2 plus 3? Minus 2 plus 3. Okay, we can unmute someone and ask them. Minus 2 plus 3. I can see minus 1 here. God. Okay, minus 2 plus 3. It's nothing but 3 minus 2, guys. So it is 1 only. Yeah, so it is 1 plus 1. It is 2 is the correct answer. Okay, answer is 2. It's not 3 or 4. It's 2 is the correct answer. Everybody got this 1 as a, yes, Rishikesh?
Ma'am, I got 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, very good. Yeah. John, can you please unmute? John, what happened? It was typing mistake? Yeah, okay, fine. Now the second question. 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 7. So the polynomial is 2x plus 7 and we have to find the 0 of that polynomial. 0 of 2x plus 7. That was the second question. What we have to do is just equate that polynomial to 0. So we get 2x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 by 2. So negative 7 by 2 is the correct answer for the second question. Yeah. Now the third question is p of minus 1 for the polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x minus 17. So the polynomial is p of x is equal to 3x minus 17 and x is equal to minus 1, or we have to find p of minus 1. How do we find p of minus 1? It is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 17. That is minus 3 minus 17 and that is equal to minus 20. Yes. Negative 20 is the correct answer. Everybody got this answer? Okay, 10 out of 10. Very good. Okay, negative 20 is the correct answer. Now the fourth question. Value of f of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 when x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So f of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, x is minus 1. So we need to find f of minus 1 and that is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. That is minus 5, then minus 4 into this is 1 because minus 1 square is 1 plus 3. That is minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 and that is equal to negative 5 minus 4 plus 3 is? Oh, Suhail, don't be sad. It's okay. Okay, we learn through mistakes, no? But it's careless mistake, so maybe. But don't worry. We can score full marks next time. Yeah, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So this is equal to negative 6. Negative 6 is the correct answer. The value, okay, which of the following is a 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 4? Which of the following is a 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 4? So we have this 2x plus 4. If you want, you can just substitute the values one by one. Which of the following is a 0? Or just find the 0 of this polynomial, that is more easy, right? So 2x is equal to 4, 2x will be minus 4, 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, so 2x will be minus 4, x is equal to negative 4 by 2, that is negative 2. So here we have an option, say negative 2. So negative 2 will be a 0 of this polynomial. Otherwise, it's like substituting all the values. No need of all those. Anyways, this is the first option. So when you substitute x is equal to minus 2, you will get it. Yeah, okay, so let me show that method also. X is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. So 2 into negative 2 plus 4, that is minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 0. Which means this negative 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. So you can do this one or this one. The answer is negative 2. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Any doubts about the questions? Exam questions, any doubts? Okay. Or exam questions or any topics that we have discussed. Any doubts? 8 on 10. Very good. Okay. So guys, see you all in the next class. And don't forget to do the homework questions. Okay. Please make sure that you do that homework questions today itself. And when you come for the next class, you have to answer that questions. Or if you are finding it difficult, I will solve that for you. Yeah. Anyways, we will discuss that questions. Okay guys, see you all in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.